Alright, make a little fishing video here, show how I fish with my Rapala. So, Rapala's right here, J7, black and silver, that's all I fish with. So, I'll show you how to use it, how to cast, hopefully maybe catch some fish while I'm making the video too. So, here we go. Yeah, casting. So the guys flip it over. Let it rip. And on the lure, I just go at a slow rate. And here's about what I reel at for speed. Not fast because the lure, then it won't work. Just go at that pace. Here's another cast. Let it loose. Yeah. Water's up from yesterday. I don't know if I'll catch anything, but we'll see. Usually over here, you can see where the water's rushing fast. A lot of weeds and the water's up. But yeah, I like to fish. Kind of throw it in where it's moving quick. When it comes out into the slow area, fish are usually sitting in there, so. There's another cast, so just two hands, flip. Kind of just get, whoa, fish on, fish on. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This is a nice smallmouth. Hopefully I'll get him. Dude, nice fish. He just cleared the water. He's pulling, coming right at me. Dude, this is a nice fish. See, I pull my line out a little with the drag. This is a nice big fish. You don't want to come in either. You see how I picked that up? Put my drag too loose. This is a big smallmouth. He wants off, I'll tell you that. Jeez. Come on, buddy. I'll put you back. That's why I'm roped around his. Oh, man. This is a freaking trophy here. Oh, God. Beautiful fish, nice and fat. Let's get measurement. He's long. I like when a plan comes together, making the video, and all of a sudden, actually 18 incher. So yeah, that's a big, heavy smallmouth there. So yeah, let's get a shot before I put them back. Oh my God. Big smallmouth right there. Thank you, buddy. Let him go. That worked. Didn't video, but hopefully I can get it. That sucked. Alright. Let's go back after it. As you can see, right now it's like 5:45 a.m. So earlier the better. But yeah, he is out in that. See where it's rushing through there. He nailed it. But right there it's shallow. Not today, it's a little higher, but usually they sit right at the end there where that water's rushing through. They're just waiting for the lure. So just another cast with my hand. So flip it open back here, let loose. But yeah, over there I pretty much can hit the shore. Over there, it's not a problem. Oh, bump. I don't know if that was a fish that just bumped my lure or what. Felt a little bump there. But yeah, I like to get it out as far as I can. That's usually the area where the rapids and it hits the slow spot. So I think that's the biggest smallmouth I've got down here this year. It's definitely the heaviest. Another cast, flop. Yeah, he just annihilated that. That was a good fight too. So there's some big fish in here. Some big smallies. Yeah, another cast. Flip it open. Got your finger here. Whip back with two hands. Let go. It's way out. Yeah, here's about how fast to reel. Reel too fast or too slow, the action on the lure isn't as good. So you can see that's about the speed you want. And it just looks like a fish, minnow swimming. It really does. So I'm not exaggerating either. I've caught thousands of fish with this lure. Thousands. I always stockpile these at home. So this is my lure I've been using since I was 8. Use it on in the creeks and the ponds. Ponds on the top water, I use the lure differently than over here. Here I just reel. So this is probably like a foot and a half under the surface of the water. So yeah, this lure is Rapala J7 floating. They got sinking. I use the floating because it just goes barely under the surface. So yeah, this is the lure I've used. Lure I was taught to use long time ago, but mostly on a pond. So we move to the creeks and the rivers. It's just as deadly for smallmouth, but you just reel it. So we'll do a couple more casts and then cut the video. Yeah, that was a good bass right there. That's what I'm here for. Good fight. So yeah, I'm fishing on a DuPage, and there's the dam right here. So they opened it up a little last night, and that's why the water's higher today. But one more cast here. You just get back like this, let go. I went way out. So. But yeah. Usually I have the best luck down here very early in the morning. Usually get up about 4:45 every morning, and I work about 5. I only work a couple minutes away from here, so this is nice. Do one more cast. basically I just cast to the other shore across, so you can get some cast pretty far with this lure too. Use an 8-pound spider wire, 8-pound test spider wire, which is pretty strong. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Learn how to cast, learn how to fish with the J7 in the rivers and creeks. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day.